everyone, this is Nishtha and welcome to my YouTube channel Gadgets Unfold. Well, today I'm very excited as we'll be unboxing and reviewing the world's thinnest laptop by HP, that is HP Spectre 13 360. By the end of this video, not only you will get to see the complete unboxing of this product, also you will get to know the top key features that make this product such a remarkable benchmark in the PC world today. Apart from that, in the end, I'll be sharing my favorite tip for watching YouTube videos. So make sure you watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel Gadgets Unfold. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The Spectre series by HP is one of the finest laptops that you can find in the industry today. Well, its powerful performance combined with a sleek design make it a bold and beautiful machine. Also, it gives you advanced security features to enhance the security of your laptop. So finally, let's start unboxing of this beautiful piece of technology. I'm going to break open the seal. This is the box we have inside, along with this laptop cover, which they have given as complimentary. Let's keep it aside, we'll open it later. The one which I have with me is a 8GB version with 512GB SSD and Nightfall black color with copper design on the sides. I'm gonna take this off, and here is the laptop. Wow, see how lovely it is. Let's take a look at it later and check what all else is inside it. So you have the small instructions. I'm going to put it aside. Wow, we have a lot of cables here. This is the AC adapter which you can use with any cable. Here is another adapter. This has a Type-C end. This is a cable for power charging, and this is the digital pen which you get along with this. It uses a quadruple A battery, which is quite rare. The pen is of the grey-black color and is very lightweight to hold without the battery. An important point is that this laptop includes an office, home and student, which is around 8,000 bucks in the market. I think that's a huge plus point which has been given along with this laptop. Let's take a look what is there on the sides. Here on the corner you have the power on and off switch. The second is your audio jack for your headphone and microphone. The third is a USB port. And there is nothing over here on this side. Then on the other side, you get a micro SD card slot. And this is the physical webcam switch. If you turn the switch on, it shuts off all the power supply to your webcam and hence it cannot be hacked. So this is an added security feature in this laptop. Then on this side and on this corner you get this USB-C port which you can use for charging. First and foremost, talking about the key features of this laptop. Carved with a single piece of aluminium, it has a gem cut design on the sides, giving it a premium finish. It weighs at around 1.27 kg, which makes it super lightweight and super portable. The screen size is 13.3 inches with 90% screen to body ratio, which makes it great for viewing experience. You also get a Corning Gorilla Glass, which make it scratch resistant. It is available in two colors, Nightfall Black and Poseidon Blue. It runs on an Intel Core i7 10th generation latest Windows processor, which make it a top performer in the industry. Coming to the memory of this laptop, it is available in two variants, the 8GB RAM variant and the 16GB RAM variant. Now 8GB is the minimum memory which any good laptop should have. Glad that it has it. Also, you get a 512GB SSD, which is a solid state drive. Now this solid state drive is 30% faster than the hard disk drive you get in most of the laptops, which increase the boot up efficiency. The battery backup is powerful as you can use it up to 22 hours once it is fully charged. Also, you get a power charging as you can charge it from 0 to 50% in around 30 minutes. Now you also get this laptop bag with this. You can have a look. You can put your digital pen here inside. I really like the look and finish of this bag. It's quite leather-like. Coming to the key innovative features of this product, well, the first one for me has to be the world's thinnest IR webcam, which is hardly 2.2 mm. It fits on the top bezels of this laptop. Second has to be the webcam on and off switch, which is given on the side. It enhances the security of this laptop. Along with that, you also get a fingerprint scanner along with the normal password or PIN login method. The Spectre uses an Ethernet style drop jaw mechanism to house a full USB-A port. The air inlets have been enlarged in this laptop to enhance the cooling. There is a USB-C port at the corner which also acts as a charging port. And last but not the least, that you can put a nano SIM in it and have a 4G connectivity anywhere. Only few things which I think HP could improve over here were, first one being that it could have given an anti-glare screen, which is given in most of the laptops today, which makes it easy on the eyes for long viewing. And secondly, there was no optical drive, that is you cannot play your DVDs. There is no HDMI port and hence you cannot stream live pictures and videos from your laptop to your TV. Having said that, it has all the great features which make it the best comfortable laptop in the market today. So this was my review for the HP Spectre 13 360. Well, let me know in the comments which Windows laptop are you currently using and are you happy with its performance. Now, coming to my favorite part, my technical tip which I use for watching the YouTube videos. Well, we all know that a spacebar key can pause the YouTube videos while watching it, but do you know that you can use the K alphabet key to pause and start the YouTube video while watching it with a single click? Also, do you know that you can use the J alphabet key to rewind a video back to 10 seconds and L alphabet key to forward it to 10 seconds? So that's how you can use this J, K, L alphabet keys for a single key action while watching your YouTube videos. So do let me know how did you like my review of the HP Spectre laptop, and do like the video if you liked it. Also, please subscribe to my channel Gadgets Unfold for more videos coming up. Thank you for watching my video and wish that the day unfolds into a beautiful one for you.